Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FPRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, and rightfully so, definitely a very important level, but that's right here at the $17 mark. Now, no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but that level sticks out like a sore thumb, and when levels stick out like a sore thumb, that means a lot of people are watching the level. And when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And while nothing is guaranteed, what I'm trying to get across is here. It is a more than valid, it is a more than rational thought to have that if the price behaves in that manner and then comes down there and breaks down through 17, that break could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Now, I don't mean and send it back down to $6, but I mean, when you consider the fact that a break of that level would then put the price in a kind of just big void, this big no man's land on the chart, you know, it's more than reasonable to think that, yeah, the bears could pick up some downside momentum. But to be fair, I mean, the price has also been very, very stubborn, and I mean, it hasn't conceded that level. It's continued to hold and hold and hold. So in the event the price actually works its way to the upside, let's talk about some areas of resistance. And the main level here that I know I'll be watching, and I think every breakout player and their brother's uncle will be watching, is right up here at 2050. Again, same logic. By no means is anything guaranteed, but it's a more than rational thought to have that, hey, you know what, if the price works its way up there and then can break up through 2050, you know what, that might create some additional upside buying pressure because that would be technically, quote unquote, a breakout point from right there. So those are definitely going to be the two main levels that lots of traders are out there watching. So let's see how this one continues to play out relative to those two levels. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.